So dear friends, in your Kinemaster project, if there's no any music with your video and if you want to add your own voiceover, in Kinemaster there is a direct way to record your voice, okay? Now look at the right side, here is the record icon, so just click here. Now to start your recording, just click on start. Now it's recording your audio. Now you have the audio. If you want to cut and trim the audio, you can do that too. Just click on that audio. And now look at the right side, here is a trim and split option. Just click on it. And now you get 3 more options here. If you click on the trim left option, the left person from this red vertical bar will be deleted. And if you select the trim right option, then the right person from this red vertical bar will be deleted, okay? And if you select the third option, I mean split, you will exactly cut this clip in the exact portion of this red vertical bar, okay? So if you select the third one, now see, it's a different audio and this is another audio. So this is how you can record in Kinemaster and add your own voiceover, okay? That's it. And if you think the video helped you in solving your query, then hit like. And if you want more this kind of helpful and informative videos, then subscribe right now.